Mukund Lanjwar. I am from Electrical Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today our topic is a over voltage and under voltage protection alert system, and project guided by Professor Chetna Dulce ma'am, and our team member is Sarang Lanjwar. It's me, Manak Jhade, Diksha Kamble, Ishika Kumre, and Harshal Mendele. Now in this topic we will learn over voltage and under voltage protection alert system.
Hello friend, myself Ishita Yogesh Kumble and I am from Electrical Department of NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. So today I explain abstract. The on-time delay circuit not only protect the load from switching surges but also from quick changeover of an on effect of over. Here is an inexpensive auto cut-off circuit which is fabricated using transistor and other discrete component. The over-under voltage cut-off with on-time delay provide various type of protection. First one is a over voltage protection. Second one is a under voltage protection. Third one is a protection against transistor. Fourth one is a protection to load from frequency turning on and off, providing time.
My name is Manak Jhade. I am from Electric Department, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. Today I explain introduction. Recent 1 year major problem industrial as well as household sudden over voltage and under voltage which result damage the equipment. Electronic based load increase day to day household as well as industrial appliances, and they are very sensitive voltage variation. In this project focus to protect the equipment in case of over voltage or under voltage, and they study of over voltage and under voltage various power equivalence issues.
My name is Diksha Kamble. I am from Electrical Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. So today I explain aim and objective. The objective of this system is to provide a protective to the equipment and avoid to the failure to the abnormal conditioner. This system provided protective from industrial, commercial and residential equipment.
This is project model over voltage and under voltage protection alert system. 12 plus 12 volt SMPS, potentiometer and voltage regulator, and this screen, and one lamp and two indicators. The system is fitted wooden plate. Voltage regulator reduce or increases immediately. IC sense line trip, lights on, indicator show.